Okay everyone, this is the last video in a series of videos on conditionals. This one is on how to make conditionals that talk about the past unreal. So in other words, this video will show you how to talk about something that you imagine that's not real, that didn't happen in the past, but that maybe you wish had happened in the past. So in other words, the cause and the effect relationship in this kind of construction is all imaginary and almost impossible because we're talking about the past and you can't change the past, okay? So let's look at the grammar that you need for this type of construction. So to make past unreal constructions, this is the rule. Okay. In the if clause, which is a group of words with a subject and a verb, the verb is going to be had plus past participle, or you can just say past perfect. So I had eaten, I had seen you, I had written a paper. Okay. Had plus past participle of a verb. The result clause, also a group of words with the subject and a verb. The verb can be would plus have plus past participle, or could plus have plus past participle. The meaning changes. Would means 100% certain. Could means possible. Okay, so let's look at an example. Okay, so here's an example. Here's the if clause. If I had studied, here we have had plus the past participle. If I had studied more, I would have passed. Here's the result. All of this is imagined, not real. I would have passed. We have would plus have plus the past participle. If I had studied more yesterday, I would have passed that test yesterday. But all of this is imaginary. None of this is real. It's just hypothetical, so it's not going to happen. But if I had studied more, I would have passed. When we say things like this, when we use the past unreal conditional, a lot of time we are using it to show that we regret something, that we feel bad about something, that we wish something had not happened. Here's another example. If he had worked more, he would have saved money. But he didn't, so he didn't save money. He didn't work more, so he didn't save more money. But if he had worked more, he would have saved money, or he could have. That means it's possible, but he could have spent it too. So this is another way to talk about regret. So another way you can show regret and talk about something unreal in the past is to use wish. Just like you can with the present unreal, you could do it in the past unreal also. So with wish, you need to make sure that you use the past perfect. So you can say something like, he wishes he had worked more, but he didn't. He wishes he had. He regrets that he didn't. He wishes he had worked more because the result would be that he would have more money now. He would have saved more in the past. So that's how you use wish for past unreal conditionals. Okay, now we have one more video, actually, mixed conditionals.